Hey my beautiful riders, how you guys doing? Wait guys, I think I found a name for you guys. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think, because on Instagram I always say my riders, you know, so I'm not sure if this can be the new name for 2021. I don't know, because like I said, ever since I started YouTube I don't know what to call you guys. So let me know if you guys like the name riders, my riders. Anyway, happy new year guys. Happy new year. Happy 2021. We made it into another year. I mean, nothing is better, but we made it into 2021 and I couldn't be more excited, be more happy. I'm grateful for the gift of life. I'm grateful for the gift of health. I had a bit of a flu about a couple of weeks back, but your girl is so much better and I'm back with another exciting video. Guys, I'm so excited to be creating new content for the year, and this is my first video for 2021, so I'm pretty much excited. I am shooting from my new camera. I am gonna do, well, I actually was supposed to do an unboxing for my camera, but as you guys can see, the quality is so much better, so much popping. And I'll be back with more videos every single week. I'm trying to be consistent. Honey, trust me, this year I'm going to be so consistent. Like, I'm serious, like seriously. So anyway guys, this video is sponsored by Curls Official, and they are this amazing hair company. It's a factory, and they sell hair directly from their factory, and they make amazing wigs, especially for us naturalistas, curly girls. Whether you are transitioning, whether you are a natural girl and sometimes you just want to rock a wig and be ready to go, this company is for you. Okay, their hair, I've been obsessed with their hair since last year, and today I'm going to be featuring this wig. It is a glueless headband wig. Let me just show you. It's a headband wig, and you don't need glue. You don't need to, you know, be laying your wig, especially for nurses or a student, or if you're going on a date night and your man doesn't want to wait too long. Honey, this wig is for you. Okay. They sent me this hair to review. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you would have seen that I did a quick mini tutorial on this hair. It is 3C. It's a 3C curl rolled together. And guys, ever since I've like come across this company, I've never seen a company that does like textured hair close to our hair texture. Like, it's actually crazy, it's actually insane. They even have like your 4C type of curl, and I once saw that on Tandy. So guys, this company is really amazing. Their hair is so soft, and maintenance is very easy. It's the same as how you would treat your natural hair. Okay, just put on water, detangle it. It's easy. I also conditioned mine. I used a deep conditioner as well, so the hair is quite amazing, and I'm like so obsessed with it. Every time I'm wearing it, people think it's my hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick install on this hair, and if you can see, my hair is in cornrows. So I'm going to show you a nice cute hairstyle of what you can do with this hair. The details of the hair in the description box down below, and where you can purchase the hair. So I'm just gonna quickly install it, and yeah.
Are you the same? Are you the same. I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa or cooking in the kitchen like.
So I've installed the hair. As you can see, I've also put water, and immediately when you put water, it literally curls up so nicely, and it's very manageable, and it's so soft, guys. So when you purchase the hair, it also comes in other different headband styles that you can use. Zhuzh up your hair and make it look nice, cute and stylish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this nice pretty silk scarf, and I'm going to put it on my hair. Guys, this hair is so pretty, especially if you're, you know, a girl in the mood, like I said, and you don't have time to be laying your wig. I think it's also perfect if you're like on holiday and you don't have the time to be laying down your wig. So I think this is perfect. I think it looks so pretty with my cornrows underneath. So yeah, guys, there you have it. This is another way that you can rock the wig, and I think I'm also going to show you how else you can rock this wig, because it's so versatile. It's so different, guys. Like, look at the curls. The curls are popping. The curls are just so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at me. I look like a baby. This is another cute way that you can rock the wig. You can rock it as like a nice back puffy look. Nice. So I sort of like made it into a pony, but a puffed up pony. So yeah, I don't know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. So I think this is like another cute way in which you can rock the hair. This hair is versatile. You can literally rock it any other hairstyle that you feel you know, would look bomb. The cute way that you can rock it whether you go into the mall, nice cute date night, you know, just to look cute. You know, I actually like this. I think this is so cute. So I don't know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think on the comment section down below. Please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Please don't forget to also subscribe. We are a happy family up in here, and subscribers and new family members are welcome, okay? So anyway, thank you so much guys for watching this nice quick tutorial video featuring Curls Official Hair. I will leave the details down below in the description box of their website and how much this hair costs. This is a 20-inch and it's a 3C curl. So anyway, I'm gonna have you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Really appreciate it. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much once again. Welcome to the family. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Mwah. Love you guys.